Uh, give me a moment. Okay, tell me one thing, why you are giving your answer through text messages. If you all are unmuted from my side, why you are not answering properly? Is there any problem? आप लोगों को बोलने में कोई दिक्कत हो रही है क्या? All of you are unmute. Kushal? Kavya, say something.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. अनम्यूट हो भाई आप लोग सब मेरी तरफ से. Let me check. Don't be panic. It is properly. Now say something. Okay, fine. From my side, all of you are unmuted. What happened?
Good morning, ma'am.
एक बार यूज तो करो अपना माइक.
Yes, ma'am.
Say
Good
something.
morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am. Ma'am, आप हो गया.
Kavya, say something. Manan.
Good morning, ma'am.
यशी, कोई तो कुछ बोलो. ऋषभ.
Good
Ma'am,
morning,
आप हो
ma'am.
गया, पहले नहीं हो रहा था. Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, आप
Good
हो गया,
morning,
पहले
ma'am.
नहीं हो रहा था.
Good morning, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
God knows why only in your classes people and I both people, you the children and the teachers both face too much problems. And one more thing, why you are not participating in quiz? Huh? You just need to click on a link, register yourself, answer some questions and get a certificate. उसमें भी प्रॉब्लम है आप लोगों को? Now here I am going to share my screen to discuss question paper with you. The answers here, some answers are there. आप वो आंसर अवॉइड करिए. Look at here. What is tithi? What is tithi? Now tell me the answer. What is tithi? Unmute yourself, then answer. Gaura, if you are interested in quiz, so participate there. Link is given there. All the things are there in your message. You just need to click on that link.
Ma'am, a type of text.
Okay. Now, after this class, you can discuss me, direct call me. Now answer the question, what is Tithi? I am waiting for your response, children.
Ma'am,
A
a
type
text
of
given by
text.
the third
Taken by
estate to the church.
Yes. Priyansh?
Ma'am,
Yes,
may I
ma'am.
say?
Ma'am, a text given by the third estate to the church.
Now what's the problem?
मैम हम लोग
Now
बोल
what's your
तो रहे
problem,
हैं
beta? Sheetal?
मैम it is the tax taken by church from third estate.
अब क्या प्रॉब्लम है आप लोगों को बोलने में?
Ma'am, there was a tax levied by the church and comprising 1/10 of the agriculture produce.
I think something technical error is there, children. So please text me. I will consider your answer here. A tax paid by third estate to church. The answer is given by Kavya. Answer is given by Kavya. A tax paid by third estate to church is known as tithi. ठीक है? 1/10 of the agriculture produce. It is, the complete answer would be 1/3 of the agricultural produce. Which steps were taken by the convention on 21st September 1792? Which steps were taken by the convention on 21st September 1792? Repeat my question. Which steps were taken by the convention on 21st September 1792? The answer given by first and second state is wrong answer. Yashi Burad is saying the Abolish monarchy is absolutely right answer. Right answer, Yashi. Next question. Give the name of the southern half of the eastern coastal strip of India. Give the name of the southern half of the eastern coastal strip of India. Fast, fast. Keep your fingers on your keyboard and answer it fast. Yes, Divya is saying Coromandel Coast is absolutely right answer. Coromandel Coast is absolutely right answer. Which drainage pattern does the Ganga River form? Which drainage pattern does the Ganga River form? No answer. And the right answer is dendritic drainage pattern. Okay. What does the true democracy involve? What does the true democracy involve? What does the true democracy involved? What happened? Sheetal is saying free and fair elections. But it could be the right answer, but the absolutely right answer is the active participation by the people. फ्री एंड फेयर इलेक्शन कभी पॉसिबल है जब पीपल जो है वो एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे, है ना। जैसे 9th वाले बच्चे मेरे करते हो, आप लोग हर चीज में एक्टिव पार्टिसिपेशन करते हो, ऐसे में डेमोक्रेसी क्या होगा? एज यू ऑलवेज डू, स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 9th, नो पार्टिसिपेशन, नॉट एट ऑल। आप लोग कुछ भी बोलिए, वी विल नॉट डू। What was the expenditure percentage of GDP in 1951 to 1952 on education? What was the expenditure percentage of GDP in 1951 to 1952 on education? And the right answer is 0.64%. ठीक है? And the right answer is 0.64%. Okay. One question from geography जो आप लोग बचपन से पढ़ रहे हैं. What is the longitudinal extent of India and what are its implications? What is the longitudinal extent of India and what are its implications? What are the, yes Pari, right answer. Previous question का right answer आपने दिया Pari. Divya Jain is saying northern hemisphere. Yeshi Burad is also saying northern hemisphere. I think you did not get the question. I am asking what is the longitudinal extent of India? Longitudinal extent समझ रहे हैं आप लोग? India is a vast country situated between the longitudes. कौन से longitudes के बीच में बसा है India? 68 degree 7 east and 97 degree 25 east due to almost 30 degree. समझ में आया? The second part of the question is what are its implications? Longitudinal extent of mainland, there is a time lag of 2 hours between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh. Hence, time along the standard meridian of India 82 degree 30 east passing through Mirzapur in UP is taken as a standard time of the whole country. Is it clear? Yes, later on Pari gave right answer. From the other extent west to east India is between 68 degree 7 east and 97 degree 25 east. Is it clear? The question is clear to all of you? The next question, जो चैप्टर ओमिटेड है उसका क्वेश्चन मैं नहीं पूछ रही हूँ आपसे. Okay, the question is for 3 marks. Which 3 rights should every citizen of democratic country get? Which 3 rights should every citizen of a democratic country get? Which 3 rights should every citizen of a democratic country get? Okay. I know you need a time for typing. I'm still waiting for your answers. And after this class, I will upload the question paper in your portal. Right of freedom. Yashi Burad is saying right of freedom. Yes, but I asked which 3? I asked Right to vote, Aryadani is saying right to vote. अच्छा एक और कोई और बोल दो. So in this way Yashi Burad got 1 marks, Divya Jain got 1 marks and Aryadani got 1 marks. 3 marks से क्वेश्चन में तीनों सहेलियों को एक एक नंबर मिल गया. Very good. And the right answer is all adult citizens should have the right to elect representatives and be elected as a representatives. Means participation, active participation in elections. Second, each adult citizen must have one vote and each vote must have one value. है ना? Each adult citizen must have one vote and each vote must have one value. Clear? Third is, each citizen must enjoy the right to life, equality, freedom, freedom of speech and expression. इसमें आप लोग के तीनों के पॉइंट्स आ गए. What is the importance of constitution in a democratic country? What is the importance of a constitution in a democratic country? Or why do we need a constitution? Why do we need a constitution? Why do we need a constitution? Garva Jain is saying it represents the rules and laws of a country. Yes, Yashi. Yes, I'm waiting for your answer, beta. Yashi Burad. What are you saying? Pari is saying constitution is a set of principles or precedent by which a state is governed. It is a set of rules and regulations which places the government's power in the hands of the citizen in a democratic setup. It is important as it protects individuals' freedom and its fundamental principles that govern a country. Good. Right answer. It protects individuals' freedom. Yash is saying. Sheetal is saying the constitution lays down the framework of a country. It describes the right and duties of people, also divide the power of country. Not in instead of divide, you can say क्या बोलोगे? सेपरेशन द पावर. डिवाइड या नहीं हो जाता है टुकड़ों टुकड़ों में बांटना. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट टुकड़ों टुकड़ों में बांटना. इट्स सेपरेशन मीन्स इट्स योर पार्ट, इट्स योर पार्ट, इट्स योर पार्ट, लाइक दिस. गुड. वेल डन गर्ल्स. So, in a very simple sentence, we can say that Constitution is the supreme law of a country that determines the relationship among people and also the relationship between the people and government, first of all. Second, it generates great degree of trust, coordination necessary for different kinds of people to live together. It also expresses the aspiration of the people about creating a good society. A constitution specifies how the government will be constituted, who will have power to take which decisions. It also lays down limits on the powers of the government and specify the rights and duties of citizens. Is it clear, children? Is it clear to all of you? Now in this way, if the question is for 3 marks, you need to write all the main points. You need to write all the things, main points in a point wise. First point, first of all, need to write about the constitution. फिर constitution क्यों जरूरी है वो बता दो. फिर constitution हमको क्या देता है वो बता दो. Answer completed. State 3 reasons of calling raw material money as a working capital. State 3 reasons of calling raw material and money as a working capital. Sorry. State 3 reasons of calling raw materials and money as a working capital. I'm waiting for your answer. The question paper I discussed in my last class, I got only one answer from the Sheetal Jain. Rest of you? Children, don't forget I'm noting down the names. One day you will get letter from the schools. Then after you will start sending me PDFs. है ना? So don't do so. आज शाम तक सबके PDF आ जाने चाहिए. Okay? I did not get my answer yet.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
I asked, state 3 reasons of calling raw material and money as a working capital. I'm waiting for your response, children. No answer. The right answer is production requires a variety of raw materials such as they used by a weaver and the clay used by a potter. Money भी क्या करता है हमको raw material provide करता है. Some amount of money is always required during production to make various payments and buy other necessary items. Unlike tools, machines and buildings, raw material money are directly used up in productions. That's why sometimes it is known as a raw material or the working capital. ठीक है?
Ma'am,
African nomads is omitted. Okay, this chapter is related to your class 8th also. Why were the British keen on growing opium in India? Why were the British keen on growing opium in India? क्यों उगाना चाहते थे? Is this chapter omitted from your syllabus? Okay, you need time for writing. Fine, Sheetal, now I will give time. So, children, is this chapter is omitted from our syllabus? Why were the British keen on growing opium in India? I think it is not omitted. Yes, it is omitted, na? Okay, fine. It is omitted, so leave it, children. But we have discussed this in class 8, na? Why opium की भारत में क्यों उगाया जाता था? हाँ, ये पेस्टलाइज वाले चैप्टर से है, so leave it. फूड सिक्योरिटी वाला चैप्टर तो ओमिटेड नहीं है ना. Which states are more food insecure in India? Which states are, it is not omitted. Which states are more food insecure in India? Which states are more food insecure in India? Which states are more food insecure in India? Divya Jain is saying UP, Bihar, Jharkhand. Yes. How is poverty line estimated in India? Mention 3 dimension of food security. Food security कहाँ omitted हुआ है बेटा? Food security chapter is omitted. It is there in our syllabus. How is poverty line is estimated in India? Mention 3 dimensions of food security. How is poverty line estimated in India? Okay, you need time for writing. Okay, I will check it, Raghav. Food security, I think it is not there. Food security omitted. No need to answer it. Okay, all of you are annotation free now. आप सब एनोटेट कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, बोल नहीं सकते, एनोटेट तो कर सकते हैं. सो आई एम शेयरिंग माई स्क्रीन हियर फॉर द मैप वर्क, बट आप लोग सब एक साथ नहीं करेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू रेज हैंड, देन आफ्टर यू कैन डू इट. ओके. France allied power during First World War. France allied power during First World War. Now you can raise your hand one by one. Annotation free है आप लोगों का. You can annotate here. अब बेटा आई एम वेटिंग फॉर योर आंसर. कोई तो एक पेन उठाओ और एनोटेशन शुरू करो. फ्रांस अलाइड पावर ड्यूरिंग फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर. यस परी, वेरी गुड. एटलीस्ट इसने इनिशिएटिव तो लिया. यस राघव, अलाउड. मनन, डोंट डू दैट. राघव, समझ में आया परी क्या डिफरेंस है? व्हाट यू सपोज टू डू इज अ बिट डिफरेंस देयर, है ना. थोड़ी थोड़ी बातों के लिए हम मैप वर्क गलत कर देते हैं. इट्स ओके. नाउ इटली एक्सिस पावर ड्यूरिंग सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर. इटली एक्सिस पावर ड्यूरिंग सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर. डू इट फास्ट. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर योर रिप्लाई. क्लास ओवर होने वाला, जल्दी बताओ. यस शीतल, राघव, both of you can point it, locate it. राघव, शीतल ने कर दिया अपना कमाल, अब तुम करो. राघव, locate it. Italy Axis power during Second World War. परी यहाँ पे कहाँ पे इटली बेटा? Good. Right answer. Right, Manan. So, in this way, we have discussed all the question paper. Today, I will upload this question paper after class after 2 p.m. You can see, you can check it in portal and need to send it to me compulsorily. It's mandatory for all students. Those who are not joining the class, do not attending the class, please convey the message. It is compulsory. First, ठीक है. शीतल ने ऑलरेडी अपना पहला भेज दिया. पहले आप लोग पहला वाला भेजिए, फिर दूसरा भेजिए. सेकेंड थिंग इज दैट participate in quiz. Again and again, I will not tell the same. Till then, Enjoy your day. God bless you.